Hello and welcome. Introducing the Profitable Word Search Puzzle Book Publishing Blueprint. Discover the proven system to create
Publish.
and scale word search puzzle books that generate royalties for years to come. Get step-by-step guidance with easy-to-follow video tutorials. Build a passive publishing business you can run from anywhere while stacking up long-term assets. Learn how to create word search puzzle books that produce reliable royalty streams. This training gives you the knowledge and tools to publish word search puzzle books on Amazon KDP, Etsy, and more. The easiest digital product to create and sell online? Word search puzzle books. With free tools and simple steps, you can start today. Turn your creativity into a publishing asset. With our blueprint and free tools, word search puzzles become the simplest path to online royalties. No design skills, no big investment, just free tools and our blueprint. The simplest path to passive publishing income online. The puzzle book market is booming. U.S. activity books alone are projected at $2 to $3 billion. While the global market is expected to hit $11.5 to $13.6 billion by 2030. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything required to create and publish word search puzzle books with bestseller potential. Start creating profitable word search puzzle books today. This strategy gives anyone the opportunity to rise as a successful puzzle book publisher and entrepreneur. Take action now. Your publishing journey begins today.